this in.
Everything you have on the line to accomplish the task that you have at hand.
Impressive.
There's my boy back there to the left behind him.
One with the gym.
Look at this.
Ooh.
I think they just take people's money and just make them do whatever.
What does your shirt say?
There he is.
Oh, wow. I remember doing that with my brother and sister.
The guy's head in his dick there a second ago. Look at this guy. The guy's head in his dick there a second ago. Look at this guy right here. He's like, whoa, what the fuck?
It's a SWAT.
Look at people over here like, oh, what the fuck? Look at that guy. You see his mouth over. He's like, oh. Look at it. Hold on. Look at that. Look at this guy right here.
Every
This guy is
jiu-jitsu
into
master.
He is into it. Hold on, look at, hold on, where's that?
Like, is this a ballet? He's getting a hard on right there.
Yeah, these guys back here don't even know what the fuck's going on. Look out here, look. That's what He's like, what the fuck is going on, man?
I thought I was doing jujitsu. What the fuck he signed me up for, Mom?
Yeah, he's thinking about quitting. He's thinking about quitting right now.
He's a white belt, dude. He's a newbie. He ain't down with it.
Yeah. Look at him. Oh, yeah.
So I just wanted to learn how to fight.
Yeah. I know I was going to be getting all this shit.
I just didn't want to get my ass kicked.
Yeah, look at that guy right there. He's into it.
Oh my god.
Oh, this gets better, dude. It gets so good.
Dude, this is...
Go. You're fixing to see what gets really good here in a minute. Works up to the stupid dude. I think he failed his black belt. Redo. Charge him another $100.
I don't know. I think he nailed it. Looks pretty good.
Watch this. It's get good.
Time is now.
I love the music too, dude. What's he saying when he's This is Jeremy Corbell's older brother. Like, goofy bastard looking Corbell. Here's our protagonist. Oh, he's doing the throwing now.
In Quantum Jujitsu, we study all different modes of combat. There are 3 modes of combat that we can define really clearly: out-fighting, in-fighting, and ground fighting.
That's proper. That's legit. Yeah, that's legit stuff. I mean,
They call this one the disclosure.
Yeah. That's proper technique for like team fighting and stuff. Using a lot of using a lot of lapel chokes and stuff.
Fight the crotch.
Yeah, so I imagine somebody's got some kind of jiu-jitsu experience. Crowd mentioned Corbell might, but this makes us wonder here.
One day you could win, one day you could lose. Everybody wants to be the best, wants to win all the time. The point is to learn. because the person that learns is way better off than the person that wins or the person that loses.
Look. Oh yeah, they're getting dizzy. You're getting dizzy.
Like, just in case you're...
Watch. Yeah, watch.
In a typhoon.
They beat the shit out of him, look. They beat the shit out of him, look. We're gonna blindfold him in a minute. Spin. When is this ever gonna be effective? Why don't you like...
So a smaller person can actually overcome a larger opponent with good technique, with a good understanding of how jiu-jitsu works.
That's correct.
So sick.
Here we go.
What the
Got the knife, got a blade out. Somebody's gonna get killed.
I mean, they couldn't use a toy knife?
Why not?
Fucking knocked you out.
I'm gonna kill you, how about that? You knock me out, you're gonna die!
Look at that, yeah, like they're really fighting him, huh? Look. Like the three fucking stooges.
Dude, this is awful. This is, like, honestly the biggest bunch of bullshit I've ever seen.
Yeah, thank you. There's still more.
If any of these guys get in a real fight, they're gonna get creamed.
Yeah, they're fucked.
Like, that's dangerous.
They got pamphlets and stuff. Look, they're official.
Oh my god, man. We need to find somebody that went to this class and got their ass kicked afterwards. That's
Yeah.
who we need to find.
Yeah, interview him. There's a guy there. A pigeon under there? Oh no, it's a blackboard.
I was a black belt in Jeremy Corbell's Quantum Kung Fu class and got my ass kicked.
There's young Jackie Chan right there. He's learning how to
Dude,
fight.
the louder you scream, the easier the boards break.
Yeah, I'm gonna key up. Oh no. Well, how many times they practice this and how many times they messed up?
Well, they're definitely smart.
Yeah. How old do you think he is there? He's a young lad there.
I don't know, man. He looks like he's in his 30s there.
Yeah. I'll get it.
Which I've dedicated my life to fighting him. And I'll continue to fight for it. Just to live an unfulfilled life. So I try my best.
That's the spell on someone else.
Or
Sick.
That just dope, dude. Don't you want to join?
Where do I sign up?
The hardest part of the test is not physical technique, as I'm sure you now know. It's the
faking
spiritual
it, right?
odyssey you
That-
take through.
Faking it's the hard part.
It's not the technique. It's the
Dave Light.
spiritual odyssey.
Look up on Dave Light and see what he's doing.
Dude, you need to Google it and see if Quantum Jujitsu is still around.
I am right now.
I got it up here. He was somewhat legit.
Yeah, so it's saying that that he had a good. One guy said he had a good laugh at it. After or seeing it first, he thought it was legit, and then going back, it's not horrible. Maybe blue belt level stuff is what it's saying. One of them down there. Yeah, see, some of it. Yeah, some bits and pieces are relevant, and some aren't. Most of them aren't. Martial arts career right here. He's the creator of Quantum Jujitsu, 2001.
Jeremy Corbell created it.
Corbell taught jiu-jitsu and yoga at University of California. He doesn't know. All right, it says Corbell developed a martial arts and yoga curriculum to provide training for at-risk youth, including a juvenile hall program. Following discharge from juvenile hall, students continue instructing. Although there is no record of Corbell ever competing as a martial artist, Corbell has consulted on such films as I Am 4, Bonaruco. I don't. He created it, dude.